Have you always dreamt of owning a fully fed sport bike from Aprilia? Well, your dreams might just be coming true very soon. Pinch yourself. You aren't dreaming. This is for real. It's a Yamaha R15 rival from Aprilia. This is the RS150. Liquid cooled, 150cc engine, 18 horsepower, 40 Newton meters of torque, proper upside down suspension. This is the stuff that dreams are made of. And you might think that this will be imported into India when it is brought to India and will be pricey. Yes, it would be about 3 lakh rupees. But no, it's going to be made in India. And it's coming next year. Really looks like a scaled down RSV, doesn't it? And it just doesn't look that way. It has the parts as well. Just look at the chassis and it's cast alloy. And if that's not enough, look at the pegs. I like that. Completely in metal. And look at the swing arm as well. It's a box type, but still, it's really swanky, isn't it? But if you want a slice of two-wheeled Italian exotica on a budget but don't want it to be too sporty, Aprilia also has this installed, the Tuono 150. It shares the engine with the RS, but you look at the ergonomics, they're more street-oriented, which is to say, well, the handlebar is a single-piece unit, it's more upright, so it gives you a more upright seating position, and that aside, look at the seat, it's a single-piece step seat, so easier for the pillion as well. And that aside, of course, being a naked, well, it's only partly fed and it sticks to the Tuono styling very closely. And when it comes to pricing, we're not sure, but we think a few thousand rupees more than the R15 would be about right.